Hello, here's my Sharpies. I'm gonna show a video.
Ooh.
These are my greens, if you can see them.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Orange, purple, gray, brown, black, red, yellow,
It's a Sharpie collection.
red, greens.
Help.
These are the fat greens because they see fat. Blues. These are my fat blues, and
I'm just gonna speed draw.
These
I doubt
blues.
there's gonna be any videos on YouTube. Justin, unless he speed draws, I don't think there's gonna be any on
black.
YouTube.
See, there's the black fat one, purples, then there's pinks.
Jordan.
There's just the oranges, and
Nice.
there's a tanny peach color. And see, you can see the difference of these are the fat ones, and these are the the fat orange and the fat purple. And see, you can see the skinny markers, the difference of how they are.
You done? I already showed.
And then there's that. And let's just show you one more time of how it works and stuff like that. This is my lime green marker. Here it is.
Oh, great! I showed your
See,
face.
it's fat.
I showed your face, dude.
See, it's fat. Your thing, you did. See how fat that is? Now I'll get the same lime green, but in skinny marker. You can see the difference.
Dude, I only got 10 seconds of footage.
See, there it is, and bye.